Welcome back to Car Wow 787, the ultimate destination for futuristic vehicles, electric innovations, and alternative travel solutions. If you're passionate about the future of mobility, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Today, we're exploring something truly unique at the all-new 2026 Solar Camper Trike Rickshaw. It's compact, electric, solar-powered, and loaded with smart features designed for solo adventurers, urban explorers, and sustainable travelers. Let's take a deep dive into this futuristic three-wheeled mobile home. Let's start with the design. From the outside, the 2026 Solar Camper Trike Rickshaw looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Its aerodynamic shape, compact frame, and sleek edges make it stand out on any road or trail. The body is made of lightweight yet durable composite materials, meaning it's tough enough for rugged terrains, but light enough to maximize range and performance. The most eye-catching feature, the roof-mounted solar panels. These high-efficiency panels charge the trike's battery throughout the day, even while you're on the move or parked at your campsite. It's designed for true independence. No more fuel stops, no external charging stations needed. Just clean solar energy powering your adventure. Now let's talk about the electric motor and performance. The camper trike runs on a mid-mounted electric motor capable of generating up to 12 kilowatts of power. That translates to smooth acceleration, even with cargo and camper weight. The top speed is around 55 to 65 kilometers per hour, ideal for city cruising and countryside exploration. The motor is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack, typically ranging between 5 to 8 kilowatt-hours depending on the model. With solar assistance, you can expect a total range of 120 to 180 kilometers per charge, depending on terrain, weather, and load. A standard charge from a home socket takes about 4 to 5 hours, but the solar panels constantly provide backup energy. Now let's step inside. The cabin is compact but cleverly designed for functionality. There's a foldable bed that doubles as seating during the day. The walls have integrated storage compartments for clothes, gear, and travel essentials. There's even a small fold-out table perfect for eating, working on a laptop, or journaling your journey. The rear includes a basic kitchenette setup, a small sink with a water tank, an induction plate for cooking, and a mini fridge powered directly from the battery. Some premium variants also offer a pop-up roof tent for additional sleeping space or ventilation, turning the micro camper into a tiny but livable home on wheels. There's also interior lighting, a small fan for airflow, USB charging ports, and an onboard control system that lets you check battery levels, solar charging status, and even control lighting or fans with a touchscreen or smartphone app. The trike is designed for both day-to-day utility and recreational freedom. It can be used for solo urban commuting, food delivery, eco-touring, or simply off-grid camping. It supports light cargo, making it a good choice for sustainable business owners as well. From a safety standpoint, it's equipped with front and rear disc brakes, LED headlights and taillights, side reflectors, a rear-view camera in some models, and an emergency brake lock. The steel chassis is reinforced to provide basic impact resistance while keeping weight in check. The suspension system includes dual shock absorbers at the rear and a telescopic fork at the front, ensuring decent ride comfort even on uneven roads. The three-wheel layout provides better balance than a two-wheeler, making it beginner-friendly and stable during stops or low-speed maneuvers. Let's talk price and availability. The base variant of the Solar Camper Trike Rickshaw starts around $3,500 to $4,000. Higher-end versions with pop-up tents, larger batteries, or extended solar capacity can go up to $6,000 or more. This price point makes it an affordable option for adventurers and entrepreneurs alike. It's expected to launch in Southeast Asia, India, and parts of Europe first, with global expansion depending on demand. If you're a solo traveler looking for freedom on a budget, or someone who wants to reduce their carbon footprint while still exploring the world, this is for you. If you're a digital nomad who doesn't need a huge RV but still wants comfort and independence, again, perfect. Even small businesses looking for a unique delivery or mobile vending solution could benefit from the utility and uniqueness of this design. As we look toward the future of transport, Vehicles like the 2026 Solar Camper Trike Rickshaw offer a glimpse into a world that's more mobile, more sustainable, and more self-reliant. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about doing it with purpose, efficiency, and minimal impact on the planet. That wraps up our full breakdown of the 2026 Solar Camper Trike Rickshaw. What do you think about this three-wheeled wonder? Would you travel or live in one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your travel-loving friends, and subscribe to your channel name for more deep dives into the future of transportation, electric vehicles, and compact living.